Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare Maggi omelette. So the ingredients required for this recipe are 2 packets of Maggi's, these are small packets, 4 eggs, water, salt, green chilies, onion, and we'll be using cooking oil for this. So now let's start cooking. Our very first step will be, we'll be boiling the water to prepare these 2 small packets of Maggi. So as you can see, you have to boil it in just minimum amount of water. When the water starts boiling, we'll add the Maggi noodles to it. And we are going to cook the Maggi noodles. Once this starts boiling, the noodles gets mixed up with the water, we are going to add the taste maker. Now we'll mix it. And we'll cook till the water dries up completely. As you can see here, the water has dried up and our Maggi has become dry. Now we'll put off the flame and let this cool down for some time. Well, the Maggi has cooled down. I broke 2 eggs. We are going to make 2 omelettes. So in 1 omelette I am going to add 2 eggs. You remember I have taken 4 eggs. So I have kept 2 eggs there and I have taken 2 eggs here. And now in this I am going to add half of the Maggi that I prepared. The reason why I wanted it to cool down was the Maggi is hot, eggs will get cooked up instantly. So we'll take half of the Maggi noodles here. Little sugar, little salt, and some green chilies. And now we are going to beat this together. Once we beat it completely and properly everything is mixed, we'll heat some oil here in the pan to fry the eggs. So our oil is heated. Now we will add this mixture here. And we'll spread this out. Once it is cooked on the one side, we'll flip and cook it the other side also. A very fluffy Maggi omelette is now ready. For the second omelette also I am going to repeat the same process. Our very yummy Maggi omelette is now ready. As you can see, the noodles are visible. I hope you liked my recipe. For more of my videos, you can log on to my website, which is www.susanrecipes.com. Do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon.